Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Hope you are doing well and fine, and in today's video I'll be showing you MX app how to redeem gift card. So without wasting any time, let's just jump right on the video and make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the steps as well. You can redeem a gift card on MX app by simply heading over and opening up your MX application. Then simply tap on login and log in with your user ID and your password, and then simply tap on login. Then once logged into your account, what you need to do here is select the card or simply tap on membership rewards, sometimes under rewards. Then once you are inside there, what you need to do is select redeem points or gift cards or redeem rewards. Then browse available retailers and gift card options, and then select the gift card you want and the amount or points to use. Then once that's done, simply confirm your selection, and the gift card may be digital if e-gift card delivered instantly via email or in the app, or physical by mail sent to your address within a few days. You can also redeem points online by logging into your browser on americanexpress.com. Then once logged in, select rewards, and inside rewards select redeem points, and inside redeem points select gift cards. Then choose your retailer, amount and redemption method, either digital or mailed, and confirm the redemption. So these are a couple of steps that you can apply, and that's it for today's video guys. Hope this video was useful to you. Leave a like if it did, comment down any questions that you have, and see you soon on the next one.